Welcome to V4 World, your trusted source for global business and finance updates. Stay informed with the latest insights on stock markets, global trade, economic policies, and financial trends. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated. Pakistan Stock Exchange surges past 117,000 amid IMF deal. The Pakistan Stock Exchange, PSX, soared past the 117,000 mark after the much-anticipated Staff-Level Agreement, SLA, with the International Monetary Fund, IMF, was finalized. This milestone has significantly boosted investor confidence, unlocking substantial inflows that will ease pressure on foreign exchange reserves and support external debt repayments. Experts predict that structural reforms in taxation, energy, and governance will ensure sustainable growth while mitigating inflation and external risks. Global renewable energy sees record growth in 2024. Renewable energy capacity surged to 4,448 gigawatts in 2024, with solar power leading at 1,865 gigawatts. According to the International Renewable Energy Agency, IRENA, the sector witnessed a record annual growth of 15.1%, with renewable energy contributing 92.5% of total capacity expansion. However, to achieve the global target of tripling renewable energy capacity by 2030, the sector must now expand by 16.6% annually. China and the United States remain dominant players, while other countries also increased their renewable energy investments in 2024. Treasury Bill Yields rise as market anticipates interest rate cuts in a surprising move. Treasury Bill Yields increased by up to 34 basis points, surpassing the policy interest rate in the latest auction. The government is reportedly in talks with banks for a 400 billion rupees loan to address circular debt. With inflation projected to drop between 1% and 1.5%, financial experts anticipate a policy interest rate cut of up to 100 basis points in the next monetary policy. Some analysts believe these higher Treasury bill returns could indicate future interest rate trends. IMF acknowledges Pakistan's economic progress amid challenges. The IMF has praised Pakistan's economic stability and improved financial conditions over the last 18 months. Inflation has dropped to its lowest since 2015, sovereign spreads have narrowed, and external balances have strengthened. However, the IMF warns of potential risks such as policy slippages, geopolitical shocks, and global financial tightening. The government remains committed to sustaining fiscal consolidation, reducing energy subsidies, broadening the tax base, and implementing cost-cutting reforms in the energy sector. Pakistan aims to achieve an FY25 primary surplus of at least 1% of GDP while prioritizing economic efficiency and development. Trump's tariffs on auto imports shake global markets. U.S. President Donald Trump has announced steep tariffs on auto imports and parts, sparking global concerns. The duties, effective April 3, have led to a market slump, with Toyota plunging over 3% and other automakers like Nissan, Honda, and Mazda witnessing significant losses. South Korea's Hyundai also dropped 2.7%. The American Automotive Policy Council has expressed cautious optimism, hoping the tariffs will boost U.S. auto production. However, analysts warn that these tariffs could increase car prices by thousands of dollars and negatively impact the job market. Disclaimer: the content provided in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial or investment advice. Viewers are advised to conduct their own research or consult with a financial expert before making any investment decisions. Stay tuned for more updates on business, finance, and global affairs. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay ahead of the latest market trends.